Hello everyone! Today we will be learning a few words in Malay. Hey guys, it's Ate Dibs. So today I will be teaching you guys a few words in Bahasa Malaysia, otherwise known as Malay. It is the official language in Malaysia. I'm here to teach you some of the most basic ones. So let's begin. We're going to learn basic numbers from 1 to 10. So in English, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And in Malay, I will say it really slowly for you guys to repeat after me. Number 1, satu. 1, satu. Number 2 is dua. 2, dua. Number 3 is tiga. 3, tiga. Number 4 is empat. 4, empat. Number 5 is lima. 5, lima. And number 6 is enam. 6, enam. And number 7 is tujuh. 7, tujuh. Number 8 is lapan. 8, lapan. And number 9 is sembilan. 9, sembilan. And number 10 is sipuluh. 10, sipuluh. So, here are the first 10 numbers. If you say it really fast, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that was fast. I think Malay is quite easy to catch because it's very similar to English in terms of some of the words. However, the pronunciation is a bit different because U is pronounced as O. Like in sipuluh, it sounds like P-O-L-O-H, pulo. Next, basic colors or warna-warni in Malay. Red is merah. Red, merah. Orange is oren. Orange, oren. Yellow is kuning. Yellow, kuning. And green is hijau. Green, hijau. Blue is biru. Blue, biru. Purple is ungu. Purple, ungu. Gray is kilabu. Gray, kilabu. Black is hitam. Black, hitam. White is putih. White, putih. So, knowing all this, you can actually say the color of the rainbow. Next, so when you greet people, you say the word apa kabar, which means how are you? Apa kabar? How are you? And you reply, I'm fine. You say, kabar baik. I'm fine, kabar baik. Thank you is terima kasih. Thank you, terima kasih. And goodbye is salamat tinggal. Goodbye, salamat tinggal. Malay words. New is baru. New, baru. Old is lama. Old, lama. Few is sedikit. Few, sedikit. Many is banyak. Many, banyak. Wrong is salah. Wrong, salah. Correct is betul. Correct, betul. Bad is buruk. Bad, buruk. Good is bagus. Good, bagus. Happy is gembira. Happy, gembira. Short is pendek. Short, pendek. Long is panjang. Long, panjang. Small is kisil. Small, kisil. Big is besar. Big, besar. There is sana. There, sana. Here is sini. Here, sini. Right is kanan. Right, kanan. Left is kiri. Left, kiri. That was great, a few words and a great job to you guys who actually repeated the words after me. I know it's a little bit tricky because, as mentioned, the vowels are pronounced differently in Malay compared to English. So, if you keep repeating after the words, you might get the hang of it. There are just a lot of vocabularies out there. So, thank you for watching my video. Terima kasih kerana menonton video saya. Bye-bye!